Hey everybody, it's Eddie with Ventura Toyota and venturatoyota.com. Today we are going to talk a little bit about the four-wheel drive systems that are available on the Toyota trucks. And there's different modes. There's four-wheel drive high, four-wheel drive low. There's things like locking differential and crawl control, where to use them, why to use them, and how to use them. So come on in and we'll show you a little bit about the four-wheel drive systems. All right, so when you're in a Tacoma, you have your four-wheel drive settings. This is called a part-time four-wheel drive. So you're driving around in two-wheel drive, a rear-wheel drive configuration. Now we're actually sitting in a pretty robust model, the TRD Off-Road, that has additional multi-terrain selection that you get to choose the type of terrain you're in, whether it be sand or snow, mogul. And these are where you're gonna see all the way down to downhill assist and crawl modes. Now, these particular trucks can also have a rear locking differential for additional traction and recovery. But starting out in your SR5, you're gonna have your two-wheel drive high, and four low positions. Okay, now here we are shifting from two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive. As we move, this is called shift on the fly, four-wheel drive. You're gonna shift from the two high position to the four high position. This is great as you're driving and you come into some bad weather or some light off-roading. Maybe you're headed up to that ski resort and people are pulling over to put on chains. You just click this thing into four-wheel drive and you get that additional traction. All right, now let's say you're doing some really aggressive four-wheel driving, some slow speed rock crawling, some obstacles. Maybe you're pulling someone out of the mud. Maybe you're going up something really intense. This is where four high is going to be switched to four low. So the vehicle would then be brought to a stop. You're already in four high. You're going to place that vehicle in neutral. You're gonna hit the little button here and you're gonna go down to four low. This is our granny gear. This is all slow speed stuff. Now on certain models, you can even go into multi-terrain selection, all the way down to crawl control, where these are some serious off-road maneuvers that can be accomplished with these multi-terrain selections. But once you've got that four low selected, pop it back to drive, and you're gonna really feel that vehicle hunker down the gearing. Your parking support brake is gonna automatically turn off. Your traction control, your pre-collision system, this is all gonna turn off in four low. So as you can see, there's a lot to choose from with this four-wheel driving. If you need the basic four-wheel drive, some additional traction, I would recommend the SR5 or the TRD Sport. If you wanna get more into that trail-rated style of driving, or just like something more unique, something like this, a TRD Off-Road. You wanna do that Baja style, jump that vehicle around a little bit with big floaty tires, that's the TRD Pro. And don't forget about the Trail Hunter, where the Journey is the destination, equipped with all of the overlanding equipment and partnered with some great companies such as Rigid and ARB. Check them all out. And remember this, when you're out there, a lot of it has to do with the type of tires. So make sure you select the right tires and we can help with that, because you know why? We sell tires.